Welcome to Marti Academy. We provide high-quality, industry-relevant education, helping students excel through hands-on learning and real-world projects. About Marti Academy. Marti provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marti's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. By the end of this program, participants will have gained key skills, applied project-based methods in workplace scenarios, practiced coaching techniques, and explored emotional intelligence. At Marti, our program is designed not just to teach skills but to empower individuals with the knowledge, experience, and emotional intelligence required to excel in their careers and make a meaningful impact in their workplaces. About Nooran Ansari. Nooran Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Nooran is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life, making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. This course introduces robotic process automation, RPA, uses AI and machine learning to automate back-end tasks like calculations, queries, and record maintenance without human involvement, mimicking human actions. UiPath, founded in 2015, is a leading RPA tool that automates tedious office tasks, enhancing efficiency and reliability. The course also covers integration with the top 5 AI tools, ChatGPT, Copilot, UiPath plus GenAI, and Gemini. Summary: Robotic mimics human actions. Process, sequence of activities leading to a task. Automation, tasks executed automatically without human effort. Diagram summary, mimicking human behavior to perform meaningful tasks without manual intervention. The UiPath training module covers RPA and UiPath fundamentals, UiPath Studio, data scraping, Excel automation, file folder automation, text manipulation, MS Office, email and Outlook automation, web scraping, selectors, exception handling, OCR, database automation, orchestrator, scripting, Python JS CH VBNet JSO, and reframework. RPA is used to automate repetitive tasks, data analysis, mass email operations, ERP transactions, and file processing. UiPath Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator help design, execute, and manage automation processes efficiently. The UiPath training module covers an overview of RPA, its benefits, tools like Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism, and UiPath basics, including introduction, architecture, installation, and products. It explains key UiPath concepts like sequences, flowcharts, variables, data manipulation, and control flow. Training includes recording methods in UiPath Studio, data and screen scraping techniques, and file folder automation tasks such as retrieving, deleting, and organizing files. The UiPath training module covers Excel automation tasks like reading, writing data tables, manipulating columns, filtering, comparing files, and creating pivot tables. It also focuses on text and list manipulations such as reading, writing text files, using dictionaries and regex, array list operations, string processing, and handling email data like retrieving attachments, reading emails, and managing mail content dynamically. The UiPath module covers date and time operations like formatting and conversions, web automation, web scraping techniques for browser interactions, UiPath selectors for element identification and dynamic selectors, and exception handling with activities like try, catch, throw, and retry scope for robust workflow management. The UiPath module covers database automation including connecting with SQL databases, executing queries, and managing authentication. OCR, PDF and image automation, focuses on extracting and processing PDF image data. The orchestrator section explains asset and queue management, data addition, and processing workflows through the orchestrator platform. This module covers UiPath orchestrator setup, robot management, and exception handling. It explores UiPath reframework structure and advantages. Scripting with Python, JavaScript, C#, VB.NET, JSON, and XML is included. It also introduces Automation Anywhere and Blue Prisma, covering installation, environment setup, and architecture basics. Meet our expert team, ready to provide top-notch technical support and guidance for all your needs. Feel free to visit our institute for in-depth information, personalized one-on-one discussions, and tailored guidance. Our team is available to assist you with any questions or details you need to enhance your learning experience and ensure success. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and information. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please visit the provided website. You are also welcome to visit the institute for one-on-one discussions.